Today, I'm going to answer the question, how do I improve document performance when things slow down? The steps we'll cover here are practical ways to diagnose and address common performance issues, but they're part of a much broader set of tools and strategies. For a deeper understanding of document performance across parts, assemblies, and data structure, Onshape's Learning Center offers a dedicated course on maximizing document performance, along with supporting articles and blog posts at onshape.com. The first step is understanding where time is being spent. Onshape provides direct visibility through the Performance panel. This panel shows document level warnings, feature and tab regeneration times, graphics complexity and tessellation metrics, and network and connection information. Rather than guessing, the Performance panel helps you identify whether performance impacts are coming from part modeling, assembly structure, or document scope. The Learning Center course on maximizing document performance walks through these metrics in more detail, including how to interpret them across different document types and what to prioritize as designs grow. If part studios are the culprit, common actions include suppressing complex features, splitting large part studios into smaller focused ones, and pushing cosmetic details to the end of the feature list. Often, simplifying a few complex features can make a noticeable difference. If assemblies are slowing things down, look closely at structure and mates. Reducing mate count, converting flexible assemblies into rigid subassemblies, and grouping parts where relative motion isn't required can significantly reduce load times. Fewer degrees of freedom means faster, more predictable updates. Document structure also matters. If a document has grown large, consider moving stable subsystems into separate subassembly documents and inserting them back into the main assembly using versions. Versioned references don't regenerate. They load as fixed, trusted building blocks. This is one of the most effective ways to improve performance in large assemblies. Document performance in Onshape is shaped by many choices. I hope this helped you think about how to optimize your designs. Don't forget to check out the Onshape Learning Center along with the articles and blog posts available at onshape.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.